Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a simple 555 timer oscillator, and using an LED and a speaker we'll be able to see and hear the oscillation of it. The components that you will need are a 68 microfarad capacitor, 560 ohm resistor, a 1k ohm resistor and a 12k ohm resistor. You'll also need an LED, speaker, two 9-volt batteries in series, a breadboard and jumper wires. So firstly, on our breadboard on each side, you can notice that there are two rows that are not connected to the rest of the breadboard. These two rows are known as the rails or power buses. When a voltage source is attached, current will flow horizontally down the rails. From here we can tap into the voltage and jump it across to a column. These columns are connected vertically but not horizontally, and so current will flow along the column connected to the rails, which is connected to the voltage source. Here I have designated positive on the top rail and ground just underneath. Now on our breadboard, we'll connect the 555 timer here to use the columns on both sides. Make sure that the notch is facing left. I'm using an 18-volt power source in the form of two 9-volt batteries in series, and I have to connect my 560 ohm resistor to positive and also to the same column that pin 8 of the 555 timer is located in order for the current to flow there. Next we'll need to connect pin 1 to ground using a jumper cable. Once we've done that, and also using a jumper cable, we'll connect pin 4 to the power source after the resistor. Now we connect pin 6 to pin 2. And next we will connect our 1k resistor to pin 8 and the other arm to pin 7. And then we'll connect the 12k resistor to pin 7 and the other arm to pin 6. Alright, now we'll add our 68 microfarad capacitor. Unfortunately this is the smallest one I have at the moment, but as long as it doesn't press up on the resistors too much, everything will still work fine. So the capacitor will slot into pin 6 and make sure the negative, that is the side with the grey strip, connects to ground, as polarity matters with these capacitors. So at this point we should have a working oscillator, and we'll want a visual representation obviously, so we'll add a jumper cable going from pin 3 over here somewhere, it doesn't really matter where, and we'll hook up our LED with an arm on the same column as our jumper going to pin 3, and the other arm will connect to another jumper going to ground. Finally, on the same column as the LED, we will connect the positive arm of the speaker, and the negative arm connects to ground. Now we have a functioning square wave oscillator, and if we wanted to increase the rate of oscillation, we can replace the 12k resistor for a smaller one like a 2k resistor, or if you want to slow it down even further, then you can swap out the 12k resistor for a resistor with higher values. Sweet, thanks for watching.